Hello there! Welcome to my Dumbbell Express. We are gonna perform today the following exercises. Let's do 3 minutes warm-up without dumbbells. You don't need dumbbells. Start with the rotation. Activate your core. Inhale and exhale. Pause squatting. Just easy. Not too deep yet. Just warming up. Squats. Important to breathe. Don't hold your breath. Check your shoulders are down. Great, marching or jogging. I'm gonna jog. Use your arms as well. A little bit faster. And rotation again. Check that your shoulders are down. You can go a little bit more bigger rotations. You can go more back. Keep the core activated. Great, pausing. Stay now more down and don't go so up. Just pause, squat. Warming up the legs. Check here. Good posture. Chest lifted. This is not good. And then jogging. Now you can a little bit kick your butt. After this, my friend, we are ready to rock the Dumbbell Express. This will be a good workout. Time, let's go. I'm so excited to do this workout. Let's go. Let's start. Squat and shoulder press. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Keep nice tempo. One more. Great. Then we have deadlift and side raise. Let's go. Keep your knees a little bit soft. Resist when you come down. Great. Break. Lunge and bicep curl. Good posture. Here we go. And we go down. plank and rowing. Keep your back straight, core activated. Here we go. Check that you are not too high or too low. If this is too challenging, you can as well have your knees down. And break. Come up again. That was first round. We start again. Squat and shoulder press. Time is starting now. And break. Deadlift and side breaks. Time is starting now. A little bit tempo. Check that your weight is on your heels now. And as well, work with your glutes. Really squeeze here your glutes. Great, time. Lunges and bicep curl. Time is starting now. Check that all the movements are under control. Time, go down. Plank and row. Time is starting now. Five seconds. Great. Come up again. Second round full. Third round starting. Squat and shoulder press. Here we go. Okay, I'm sweating already. Deadlift and side raise. Time is starting now. Break, lunge and bicep curl. We hit all the main muscle groups this workout. Time is starting now. Keep a good posture. Check that your back is straight. Knee doesn't go over the toe line. Resist here. Yes. One more break. We go down. We plank and row. Are you ready? Time. Remember, you have here easier option to have your knees down. Break. 3 rounds to go. We start from the beginning. 3, 2, 1. Great. deadlift the straight legs, soft knees, and side raise. Are you ready? Time. One more. Time. Lunge and bicep curl. Time is starting now. Five seconds. Time, let's go down. Let's row. Time is starting now. Even you have a nice tempo, do all the exercises, the right technique, in control. Time. Two more to go. Squat and shoulder press. Time is starting now. No time to sleep in this workout. One more. Great. Deadlift and shoulder brace. Time is starting now. If you don't have dumbbells at home, you can do this as well with the water bottles. Use alternative weights. Time. Lunges and bicep curl. Time is starting now. You can as well, if you have more variation of dumbbells at home, you can switch around. Great. Let's go down. Time is starting now. Now it's really fighting time. Let's go up again. Time is starting, my friend, now. Last round. Great. Deadlift and shoulder raise. Last one. Great. Lunges and bicep curl. Five seconds. Time. Let's go down. 3, 2, 1. Last exercise. Time. Great job. Great job. Leave the dumbbells down. We are ready with the express. But if you want to do a little cool down with me, come up fast. Cool down and stretch. Arm circles. Rotation. Arms behind your back together, roll down. Pulse was going nicely up. Little rotation here. Just active cool down, active stretching. Bring your hands behind your knees. Lift yourself up, chin on your chest. Pull, straighten your legs. Just hang here, bend your knees and roll up. Open your chest to here, easy rotation. Little stretch for the quads, check that your knees are together. Straight knees a little bit soft. Other side. Cross your arms, push your shoulder down, lift your elbows up. Here, easy rotation. Other way around. Thank you so much. It was a great dumbbell express. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a good sweat. Thank you so much. If you like the workout, don't forget to give us likes, comments, feedback. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.